Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Traits. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're exploring into the world of Logies Part 5. Histology, the study of tissues and their structures under a microscope. Example: a histologist might analyze tissue samples to diagnose diseases or understand tissue functions. Lactation, the study of the production and feeding of milk in mammals. Example: a lactation consultant might help new mothers with breastfeeding techniques and address any issues related to milk production. Cybernetics, the study of systems, control, and communication in animals and machines. Example: a cybernetics expert might work on designing robots that mimic human movements or improve human-computer interactions. Horticulture, the study of growing and managing plants, including fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Example: a horticulturist might develop new plant varieties or improve agricultural practices for better crop yields. Paleobotany, the study of ancient plants through fossils. Example: our paleobotanist might investigate plant fossils to understand ancient climates and ecosystems. Criminology, the study of crime, criminal behavior, and the justice system. Example: a criminologist might analyze crime patterns and investigate the effectiveness of criminal justice policies. Cytology, the study of cells, including their structure, function, and abnormalities. Example: our cytologist might examine cell samples to diagnose diseases like cancer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.